Are you looking for essential banking facts that you should know? Tune into this video and get all the information you need. Learn about types of banks, banking products, interest rates, credit and loan options, savings goals, credit scores, and banking safety. Get educated and stay informed when it comes to handling your finances. Watch now. Hello everyone, my name is Adam and welcome to this video about essential banking facts that you should know. By the end of this video, you should feel more informed and prepared when it comes to handling your finances. I'll be here to guide you through the key points you should take away and hopefully provide some insight as well. Let's get started. What is banking? Let's start with the basics. Let's first answer the question, what is banking? Banking involves the use of banks or similar financial institutions to provide customers with a place to deposit and store their money, financial products and services, and even loans. Financial institutions also manage the money and investments of their customers in checking and savings accounts, as well as offer debit and credit card options. Types of banks. There are several types of banks out there, and each one has different services and products you can take advantage of. Retail banks are the most common, and they provide customers with financial services such as checking and savings accounts, loans, financial advice, and sometimes even investment options. Commercial banks help businesses manage their finances, while investment banks focus on larger projects and investments. Lastly, online and mobile banks are becoming increasingly popular, allowing users to access their services via app or online banking. Banking products. Now, let's dive into some of the banking products available today. Checking and savings accounts are a popular option and a good place to store your money. You'll be able to deposit money, write checks, make withdrawals, and use an account to make transfers. Debit cards are another common product that lets you transact with a bank without having to use cash. On the other hand, a credit card provides you with a line of credit and the ability to buy now and pay later on the interest rates. When it comes to interest rates, understanding how they work will help you make more informed decisions when handling your finances. To start, an interest rate is the percentage your bank or lender will charge you for borrowing a certain amount of money. This rate can either be fixed or variable, and understanding the difference is equally as important. Fixed interest rates remain the same over the term of the loan or credit line, meaning you know ahead of time exactly how much you'll pay. Variable interest rates are tied to market fluctuations, which makes them riskier as your payment can change at any point. Loan versus credit. Another important concept to know is the difference between a loan and a line of credit. When taking out a loan, you will need to apply for an agreed-upon amount, and upon approval, it will be given to you as a lump sum. A loan has a set repayment schedule which usually includes monthly payments and possibly a balloon payment at the end. On the other hand, a line of credit gives you access to a certain amount of money that you can use as needed. With a line of credit, you'll need to factor in interest rates, repayment terms, and the variable or fixed nature of the rate you'll be paying. Savings goals. Another great banking tip is to create savings goals. Whether you're saving for an emergency fund, a vacation, or a new car, setting a goal and taking steps to reach it can help you achieve long-term financial security. Setting up an automatic transfer or setting up a reminder to make a payment each month can help keep you on track. It's also important to avoid sudden transfers, as these can be risky and lead to overages or overdraft fees that you don't want to incur. Credit scores. Now, let's talk about credit scores. Credit scores are used to measure a person's creditworthiness and are based on a variety of factors such as credit history, payment history, and other financial information. Generally, the higher your credit score is, the more likely it is that you'll get approved for loans, credit cards, and other types of credit. That's why it's important to keep track of your credit history and strive to maintain a good credit score. Banking safety. Finally, let's discuss banking safety. Unauthorized access of personal accounts is a major concern, especially given the rise of electronic banking. It's important to make sure your passwords are secure and never share your personal information with anyone. Additionally, constantly monitor your accounts and be aware of any suspicious activity that could indicate fraud or identity theft. Conclusion. Well, that just about wraps up this video about essential banking facts you should know. We've discussed what banking is, different types of banks and banking products, credit and loan options, setting savings goals, credit scores, and banking safety. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update. I hope this video has given you the information and knowledge you need to feel more confident when it comes to handling your finances. Until next time, take care. This video was brought to you by Channel Success Mindset and Personal Growth.